Greetings again, Moody students. Here in New Testament Survey, you're going to have two course papers. And I've created grading rubrics to help you successfully complete these. The information from the syllabus and from other places in the course shell is copied here. But I would encourage you, when you come to each paper, read what's written here, double check it against the syllabus, and double check it against the information in the lesson where the paper assignment appears. You have a grading rubric for each of the options you have for the papers. But in each category, you have two options, but you only do one. For instance, in the world of the New Testament, you can survey the effects of the Hebrew, Greek, and Roman civilizations upon the world before the time of Christ, or you can compare the various sects of Judaism in relationship to the Old Testament writings, the oral tradition, supernaturalism, and politics. But you only do one of those two topics for your World of the New Testament paper. But whichever one you do, download the appropriate grading rubric so you'll see how you're going to be graded on that paper, and you can write it accordingly. The rubrics will correlate with the assignment instructions found in the syllabus, in the assignment as it appears in the lesson where it's due, and other information here in this announcement. For your paper on the early church, you can describe the structure and function of the institutional church in the New Testament, including information on its offices, services, beliefs, and changing attitudes toward Gentile believers. Or you can analyze a major problem Paul faced in the following letters: 1 Corinthians, Colossians, 1 Thessalonians, and 1 Timothy. A problem in each of those must be included. The four problems don't need to be related to one another. In each paper you write, be sure to support what you're saying with scripture references. You don't need to quote entire verses, but do use scripture references to support your work. You'd also be wise to cite other sources, your textbook, and maybe other books or journal articles even that you're using in writing the paper. Bibliography is located here in the course to give you some guidance on some other good books you might use in completing your paper. And see everything I've written here in this announcement to help you with this work. Well, that's it for now. If you have any questions, as always, feel free to shoot me an email. I'll respond as quickly and completely as I can. God bless you as you work on your papers in New Testament Survey.